let me show you how to create and embed a Yelp review widget like this on your Elementor website. To do that, we'll be using the Smashballoon Reviews Feed Pro plugin. I'll be demonstrating using the Pro version of the plugin, but you can check out the free version with less features through your WordPress repository. To get started, head over to smashballoon.com and purchase Reviews Feed Pro. Once purchased, you can find your download link and license key for the plugin inside your Smashballoon account. Download Reviews Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress dashboard. Now on our WordPress dashboard on the left-hand side, hover over Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Next, click Upload Plugin and upload the zip file for Reviews Feed Pro like this, and click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate Plugin. And there we go, Reviews Feed Pro has now been installed and activated. But before we can create your Yelp Reviews feed, we'll first have to activate the license key for the plugin. On the left-hand side, you'll now notice Reviews Feed. Go ahead and click on that. And here, inside the plugin, you can paste your license key from your Smashballoon account, then click Activate. Next, click Add New at the top to get started. And for the first step of creating your Reviews feed, we'll have to add a source for our feed. Click on Add Source, and inside this window, you can see all the different source types you can add with Reviews Feed Pro. With the plugin, you can display reviews from Google, Facebook, TripAdvisor, Yelp, Trustpilot, and WordPress.org. For this video, we're going to be displaying our Yelp reviews, so we can select Yelp and then click Next. For step number 2, we'll have to enter our Yelp API key. I've already got mine ready, but if you want to learn how to create one for yourself, you can click on the video tutorial on the top right corner of your screen or follow our written guide in the description of this video. Once you have your API key, paste it here like this, then click Next. For the final step of adding our source, we have to enter the page URL for the Yelp page we want to fetch our reviews from. For this demonstration, let's go and embed the reviews from East Village Pizza. You can see that this restaurant has over 500 reviews and an overall 4.1 star rating. To add this as a source, just copy the URL like this. And back inside Reviews Feed Pro, paste it inside this box. Then click Finish. Now you can see that East Village Pizza has been added as a source, and it's already selected for us, so we can click Next. And for the final step of creating our reviews feed, we'll have to select a template for the layout of our feed. We have options like the default, simple cards, masonry, single review, and more below. For this video, let's go with the masonry template, and once selected, click Next. And just like that, we have a live preview for our new Yelp reviews feed inside the plugin. The feed is displaying the latest Yelp reviews from the East Village Pizza restaurant, and inside each review, you can see the author profile picture, author name, when that review was published, the star rating that was given, and the review content. But on the right-hand corner, we also have a Yelp icon indicating that the review is from Yelp. This helps your website, and reviews appear more trustworthy because the reviews are coming from a credible source. And you might notice that our feed is displayed in the masonry layout that we selected. Our feed is now ready to be embedded inside our Elementor webpage. But before I show you how to do that, let me show you how we can customize the feed. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, go into Layout. Inside this menu, you can see all the different layout options we have with Reviews Feed Pro. Currently, we're displaying our reviews in the masonry template, which displays your reviews in rows and columns. Above that is the list layout. This one features your reviews in a single column list. And lastly, we have the carousel layout, which allows site visitors to swipe through the reviews inside your feed, like this. For this video, let's continue with the masonry layout. And if you look below, you can choose how many reviews you want to display inside your feed initially, on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Currently, you can see that we have 6 reviews inside our feed, but if you want to modify that, just enter the number of reviews you want to display. For example, let's go with 9, and instantly you can see that our feed has been updated with 9 reviews instead of 6. Next, you can also choose how many columns you want inside your feed, on desktop, tablet, and mobile. At the moment, we have 3 columns as you can see, but if you want to customize that, just enter the number of columns you want to display. For example, let's go with 2, and instantly our feed is now updated to include 2 columns instead of 3. I'm going to change that back to 3, but as you can see, you have complete control over how you customize your feed. And if you made any changes, click Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to customize the elements inside each review, under the Customize tab, go into Reviews. Next, click on Edit Individual Elements. Inside this menu, you can see all the different elements inside each review on your feed, such as the author and date, rating, review paragraph, and images or videos if they're available. The visibility of each of these elements can be customized to suit your exact liking. For example, if you wanted to hide the author and date, just deselect it like this, and that will now be hidden inside each review. I'm going to bring that back, but you can do the same thing with the star rating and review paragraph as well. But you might notice that the alternate date is now sitting at the bottom of the review. This just shows that you can customize how the elements are stacked inside each review too. If you wanted to move the alternate date back to the top, just hover over it, click and drag it to the position where you want to place it, like this. And now the alternate date is back at the top of the review. You can do the same thing with the rating as well. Just drag it and place it exactly where you want to inside each review. It's totally up to you. I'm going to change that back. And if you made any changes, click Save on the top right corner. And if you're looking for controls to moderate the reviews inside your feed, go into the Settings tab and click on Moderation. Here, if we enable moderation mode, you can choose the exact reviews you want to display inside your feed. There's 2 ways to use this with the Allow and Block list. With the Allow list, all your reviews will be hidden by default, apart from the ones you manually choose to display like this. Alternatively, with the Block list, all your reviews will be displayed by default, apart from the ones you manually choose to hide. And if you made any changes, you can click Save and Exit. But now we're going to disable moderation mode. Go back, and if we go into Filters, you'll find options to filter the reviews inside your feed. At the top, you can filter reviews based on their star rating. For example, if you only wanted to display 4 and 5 star reviews, you can select these two options like this, and your feed will automatically update to only display 4 and 5 star reviews, and nothing else. Next, we can also add words as filters, so that your reviews feed is only displaying or hiding reviews containing those words. You can use these filters strategically to display specific reviews on your feed. For example, if you only wanted to display reviews about a certain promotion, you can enter those keywords here, and your reviews feed will only display reviews about that promotion. So you can see how powerful these filtering tools are. And lastly, you can also filter reviews based on character count with a minimum and maximum. For instance, if you wanted to display short bite-sized reviews, you can enter a smaller maximum so that your reviews feed will only display shorter reviews. But alternatively, if you wanted longer, in-depth ones, you can enter a larger minimum and maximum so that your reviews feed will display longer reviews. So it's totally up to you how you customize your feed. And if you've added any filters, don't forget to click Save on the top right corner. Now that you know how to create and customize your Yelp Reviews feed, let me show you how we can embed it inside Elementor. To embed it, click on Embed on the top right corner. Copy your dedicated shortcode and click on Add to a page. Next, select the page you want to embed your feed to and click Add. Now on your page, you can click on Edit with Elementor. And now on our Elementor webpage, if we scroll down, this is where we can embed our Yelp reviews. To embed it, all we have to do is add a shortcode block. This one here, so we can click and drag it, and place it here like this. After that, just paste the shortcode that we copied earlier. And voila! We can now see a quick preview of our reviews feed inside Elementor. We can now publish the page and check out what it looks like on the live website. Here we are now on our live Elementor webpage, and if I scroll down, we have our brand new Yelp Reviews feed right in the middle. And you can see that it looks exactly like how we customized it in the plugin with the masonry layout. Inside each review, we can find the author profile picture, the author name, when that review is published, the star rating that was provided, and more. The review content and photos or videos if they're available, and if a site visitor wants to check out the photo, they can click on it like this and view the photo directly on your Elementor webpage. And if I scroll down to the bottom of the feed, you'll also find a Load More button. If site visitors click on that, it will load additional reviews directly on your Elementor webpage right here. How cool is that? Next at the top, inside the header, you'll find the overall star rating. And on the right-hand side, you'll have a Write a Review button. If site visitors click on that, that will take them directly to your Yelp page, allowing them to easily leave a review for you directly from your Elementor website. And there you have it. That's how we can create an embedded Yelp Reviews feed like this inside your Elementor webpage. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you experience any technical issues, please contact our awesome support team. They'd be happy to help you out. And please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.